Hello dear students, how are you all? Today our topic is Introduction to Number System. Okay, we are going to learn about number systems. Now we are going to learn about integers. So integer defined as a whole number less than 0 are called negative integer and these number are to left of the 0 on the number line. The integer 0 is neither positive nor negative. The sign of an integer is positive or plus sign, negative or minus sign except 0. What does it mean? Means all the number have negative or positive, means it should be plus 1 or minus 1. Okay, it should be plus 25 or minus 25. But for 0 has no sign. Okay, means you cannot say that plus 0 or minus 0. Okay, because 0 is not positive or not negative. Okay, because it has no sign. So opposite integers means what? When two numbers are the same distance away from 0, means 0 say in number line, 0 in the middle of number line. Okay, we can go 2 step left side from 0, then what does it come? It comes minus 2. If we go 2 step right side from the 0, then we will got plus 2, right? So minus 2 and plus 2 are the opposite side of the number line at same distance. So one has a positive sign and another has negative sign. So both they have, means we can say that both the number are opposite integers. So here you can clearly see integer are the set of a whole number and their opposite. Okay. So what does it mean? Natural number, after that whole number, and after that integer. Means a natural number is a part of whole number. But when natural number and whole number both are come together, it will be the part of integer with inclusive negative numbers. Okay. So integer are positive and negative also. मीन्स ये पूरी जो नंबर लाइन होती है वो सारी की सारी इंटीजर्स में आती है. इंटीजर मीन्स ऑल द पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स एंड ऑल द पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नंबर्स. ओके, number line goes on forever in both the direction. As you all know, you learn about this in 5 or 6 standard that number line goes on forever in both of the direction. Okay, it cannot stop anywhere. So whole number greater than 0 are called positive numbers, and and numbers are smaller than 0 are called negative integers. Okay. So here I am giving you integer rules. This is very easy to remember for you. So first one is rule of addition of integer. So if all the number have same sign, then you can add and take the sign. So here I am giving example. So minus 3 plus minus 4. So we have both number same sign. So first of all we have to add it, then 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and we have to carry a big number sign which is a 4. So then we have to write down minus 7. Another example are the positive integers. So first one is a 3 and we have to add 7 into it. Our answer should be 10, but here number 7 is the larger number and it had positive sign, so our answer also get positive sign. Means when both the integer have a same sign, then we have to add and take the sign. But what about the different sign? So subtract and take the sign of largest absolute value. Here I am giving example about minus 5 plus 9. So our answer cannot be add. We have to subtract it because both the integers have different sign. So minus 5 plus 9. So we all know about that minus and plus. So minus plus what? Minus plus minus. Then we have to minus. It means subtract 9 minus 5. Our answer is 4. But larger number is plus 9. So we have to give sign of. Another example we can take here is minus 13 and plus we have to means add number 8. Okay. So both the integer have a different sign. 13 has a negative sign and 8 has positive sign. So we cannot add it, but we have to subtract it. It means when the different sign comes, we have to subtract the number. Okay. Always remember this, when both the integer have different sign, then you have to subtract the digits. Okay. And after that, take sign of largest value. Here minus 13 plus 8. 13 and 8 both are the different sign. So we have to subtract 13, okay, and 8. Our answer is 5, okay. But we have to give sign of 13 as 13 is the largest absolute value. So our answer should be minus 5. Now rule for the subtraction. Change to add the opposite. Okay. चेंज करो टू एड द ऑपोजिट को ऐड करने के लिए चेंज करो. व्हाट डज इट मीन? ओके, हियर यू कैन सी दैट -3 + 4 इज एंड -4. ओके, सो -3 और -4 हमने इन दोनों को प्लस कर दिया. यहाँ पे हमने क्या दिया था, देखो यहाँ पे क्या था, -3 + +4. ओके, सो वी हैव टू चेंज टू एड द ऑपोजिट. हमने दोनों को ऐड करने के लिए साइन को चेंज किया. मीन्स माइनस वाली साइन जो थी वो ब्रैकेट के अंदर 4 को दे दी. 4 की साइन जो थी हमने ब्रैकेट से बाहर मिडल में ले ली. राइट. सो नाउ -3 एंड -4 बोथ द इंटीजर हैव द सेम वैल्यू. नाउ वी कैन एड इट. ओके, सो 3 and 4 7. ओके, और आंसर शुड बी -7. Okay, very easy. Another example is -5 minus -9. So आपको क्या करना है, साइन चेंज करनी है. मीन्स मिडल साइन and the sign after digit comes of the sign both will be changed. So middle sign is a minus, it should be plus, and in bracket there is a -9, then it also convert into plus. Okay, now we have to add both the number. So -5 add to +9. So what does it mean? It does both the digit, both the integer has opposite value. When opposite, then we have to subtract and take the sign of largest digit. Okay, so we have to subtract 9. We have to subtract 5 from the 9. Our answer should be 4, and we have to give sign of the largest number. It should be +4. When multiply and divide, if same sign, then it should be positive answer. Different sign, then should be negative answer. Okay. So what does it mean? Remember, when you are multiplying or dividing any integer which has positive same sign, then always your answer should be positive number. Let's suppose we are taking here example. Example is that -3 multiply with -5. Okay. Okay, so our here example is -3 multiply with -5. Okay, when we have to multiply and both the integer has same sign, then answer should be positive answer. So 5 3s are 15, and this is our answer. We don't have to give this sign negative. Okay, because both the integer have same sign. But when both the integer have a different sign, like +3 multiply with -5, then your answer should be 15, and we have to give a minus, always minus. ऐसा यहाँ पे नहीं है कि वो 5 है इज द लार्जेस्ट नंबर एंड उसकी साइन नेगेटिव है, दैट्स वाई वी आर गिविंग हियर माइनस साइन. इफ देयर इज +5 and we are multiplying it by -2, then and then also your answer should be 5 2s are 10, and plus here is a different sign, positive, and here is a negative sign, then we have to give negative sign. Okay, So remember always that whenever same sign comes, your answer will be positive, always positive. When the both the digit have a different sign, then your answer should be negative. Okay. So integer means all natural and whole numbers. Okay. Natural number are start from 1 and go to infinity. Whole number are start from 0 and include all the natural number. But integer is a negative number. 0 means including natural number and all the natural numbers. Okay. So you can say that natural number and whole number are the part of integers.